Here we are back to decorate our second lot of inside pages. Now you pretty much know the process, so I'll speed this up for you so you can just sit back, relax and enjoy watching these pages come together. Thank you. And our pages are finished, just beautiful. So cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. It's really turning out to be a beautiful little inspirational journal. And then we'll go on to our third lot of pages in our next video. So I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you. Bye for now.